Here we are at the elevator at the subway Steel
Going
Station
down.
Plaza in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
This is the one that leads to the gateway. This is the one that heads to the north side.
Hurry, hurry, let's go. Here it comes.
Now, here we are at the elevator at the subway station here in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Wood Street.
Oh, Wood Street, okay.
I like the music they play.
Yeah, me too.
Broken dinner bell.
Broken dinner bell.
Now you're quiet on this when you can hear the motor.
Okay,
Alright,
right.
the fan's on. Wait, no. Watch. Ready? Oh, it's burned out anyway.
Okay.
That stays lit.